Audio provides a dialog-gated loudness measurement that uses the Dolby dialog intelligence algorithm and shows the loudness of your audio in loudness units, or loudness units, referenced to full scale. The dialog value allows you to assess the percentage of speech-based sequences within the audio. The meter shows true peak levels, integrated loudness. This is the average loudness value that is measured over the whole audio range. Short-term loudness. This gives information about the loudest audio passages. Momentary maximum. Shows the maximum value of all momentary loudness values. Dynamic range. Shows the loudness range that is measured over the whole audio range in loudness units. Dialog. Shows the overall percentage of speech that is detected in the measured audio. The speaker icon indicates that speech is detected during playback. If at least 15% of speech is detected, a dialog-gated measurement is used for the visualization. In the settings, you can switch the measurement units and set tolerance and reference values for measured levels. I am Mel, from Soundbits. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to the Nuendo channel. Goodbye.